call it a day. It was a good day out here today. It's Christmas Eve. Our families are waiting for us, so we got to go home now.
Yep, we found these perch about within an hour ago, so I don't know, it's like 12 o'clock now, but we found them about an hour ago. We've been out here all morning, didn't find anything, but luckily we got in some nice ones, so hopefully we keep this going for you.
Yep, only had to drill about 40 holes or so before we found the fish, so hopefully we'll get back to you guys with more videos.